Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can get Microsoft Office for 100% free. So as you can see, I don't even have Microsoft 10 key license, but if you look at this, I got Microsoft Office for 100% free. So in this video I'll show you how you can get that too. So first open up your Edge browser, then type here Microsoft Microsoft Store. Open up this link, first link, and then after that, as you can see, search bar. Click on that, then type here Office and press enter. After that, click on Shop, and then as you can see, Microsoft 365 Office, it's free. So click on that. Uh, Sorry, unavailable. Uh, Click on back and click on that again. Yeah, as you can see. So now you just have to click on install button, click on that. It will take some time to install, depends on your internet connection, and then just click on open. So see, as you can see, Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and you can use them easily.